Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Wi-Fi internet connection on INKBOOK Classic 2. And to do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, move to the Wi-Fi internet connection. Inside we'll need to switch it on and then wait till you see all of the networks available. Then pick whichever network you want and keep in mind that it will show only networks with 2.4 G and 5G is not supported. Enter the password for that network. And click on connect. And after a few seconds you should see connected, which means we successfully connected this INKBOOK with internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.